And this is the set of elements that were known at the time. And this is a page from the paper in which Mendeleev published the periodic table. And here's the smoking gun right here. It's right here where he says, in this new system, in this proposed system, there are very many missing elements. Very many missing elements. That was the key. Because he knew that even though arsenic has the atomic mass next highest to that of zinc, not to put arsenic under aluminum, not to put it under silicon, it had more in common with phosphorus. So he put it under phosphorus. And so did Meyer. But what Mendeleev did, which was a first, he said, there are missing elements here. There is an element that lies between silicon and tin, and I predict what its mass will be. I predict what its chemical formulation will be, how it will react with oxygen. The predictions. And how did he get this? Because he used to travel by train, and he would sit in the train station on his trunk playing solitaire. And he'd be going down one suit, and then there'd be a gap. He'd go down the other suit, and he could go farther. And so the concept of, I know there should be an 8 of spades here, but I have to stop at the 9. I've got a 7, but there's something in there. Triggered his imagination and led him to have the courage to say, there are elements there, and I will predict their properties. And when they were discovered, how close he was is shocking. Absolutely shocking. So we'll get to that next day, but before you go, I want to leave you with this. This is the portrait of Mendeleev that you typically see, this man on in years, disheveled, sort of mad scientist look. Don't remember that. Look at this. This is Mendeleev, age 35, when he proposed the periodic table of the elements.